If you're a homeowner who came across one of our videos and you wanted to check out more work and you stumbled across this video, congratulations. We always encourage prospects to do their research on the company they are looking to hire. We definitely won't be the cheapest option, but we pride ourselves on the quality of work, and we frequently post our work to show prospects just like yourself the level of quality that we provide. If you love what you see, make sure to send us a DM on this platform or call or text us at 832-810-1835. Thanks.